It's cruise day! Guys, made it through security. Officially ready to go to the waiting area. I'm gonna show you this awesome entrance here. Woo! This is awesome. There's big welcome. Look at this. This is awesome. Yes! Guys, I'm here at the terminal, just waiting to check in and get on board. And I'm super excited. I just met cruising with Ben and David, and also Steph, cruising with Steph as well, Sean and Steph. And they've had some amazing adventures, and it's just so cool to finally meet them in person. And I'm sure we're gonna have a great time on board as well. But yeah, I'm super pumped, man. This is surreal. Like, I can't believe I'm here. Oh, we're almost on board. Ah, I can't wait. Wonder of the seas, biggest cruise ship in the world, and the newest. Here we go. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. We're officially boarding. Hello, hello. Morning. Hello. Welcome on board. Let's go. Boom. Yeah. Shot the lockout. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah, let's go. Party time. Oh yeah. Look like they got champagne. Nice. Just a second. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Oh my God. Hello. Hi. How are you? Hey, what's up? Hey, guys. Hey, how you guys doing? I know, right? We're good.
We're here. It's amazing.
Where's the fam? Drinks. Beautiful car. Woo! Look at that. Mustang. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. All right, guys. Have to get some more fun on. Look at this, guys. That's a car. Hey, there's astronauts. Woo! Love it. All right. I'm gonna get some stuff taken care of and then back to videoing. Hey guys, I'm officially on board Wonder of the Seas, and I came straight upstairs to deck 16 to get my favorite Mexican food. Got to get my Mexican food on. It's been awesome getting on board. They gave everyone champagne. I've met some awesome creators already. Ben and David, Steph, Kyra, and Aaron from AK Adventures. Like, this is awesome. Like, there's so much to do. There's so many people to see, but you got to eat, right? So I'm gonna eat a little bit, walk around a little bit. The room's gonna be ready by 1 p.m. And yeah, I'm super pumped, guys. It's gonna start. It's starting. Actually, it's already started. I can't control myself. I'm so excited. Guys, we're officially sailing away very soon. We just happen to be meeting up with all these cruise vloggers right here. We got Tony from Lolita Loca. We got all the folks here. Woo! Woo! Let's do it. And we got helicopters in the sky. It's gonna be epic. This is awesome. See what's over there. All right, thanks, man. I appreciate it. We got all the cruise vloggers up in here, man. We got Lana's Gun. We got what's up, everyone? Oh my God. It's so funny, everyone like found this spot.
How are you guys?
We got Jay from the Ship Life right there. Hanging out, he's on the live stream right now. Oh my God, guys, this is epic.
Oh my gosh.
This is so cool. What's up? Oh my God. It's hot, guys. Woo! Oh my God. And of course, the one and only Guga and Rob. What's up?
Yes, again.
Yes. Again and again and again and again and again and again. This is awesome, man. I think we're gonna start moving here pretty soon. But yeah, guys, we're sailing away, Fort Lauderdale, March 4th, 2022, the inaugural cruise of Wonder of the Seas. It's on. It is on. It is on. Hey, Megan. I want to see my vlog. Say, hey, babe, this is Anchors Anyway. What's up?
Megan, everyone.
Megan in the house. Oh. Yeah, this is awesome. I gotta get a drink. Definitely need a drink. We got the party crew right here. We got Raphael. We got what's up, man? You guys get the VIP right here. Oh, yeah.
I don't even remember when I did this.
This is awesome, guys. This is a blast. Woo, woo. I'm gonna do a little more sailing once I start moving. It's gonna be epic, guys. So here we go. Here we go. Sail away party. Heading out of Fort Lauderdale very soon. Peace out, guys. Everyone's having a good time. Got the astronaut right there. We're about to get the party started. Here we go. Look at that. Got the helicopter ready to go for the first official sailing on Wonder of the Seas, man. This is gonna be awesome. Got Central Park right down there. We're leaving soon, guys. We are leaving soon. Alright, guys, we are sailing away. Oh, we're moving. We're moving.
We're moving. Oh my god.
Google and Rob in the house. They're on
Okay, that.
Cheers, guys. We are sailing away.
Thanks for the super chats. Whoever gave them, we appreciate it very much. Elizabeth, Jeannie, Yella Grisha, thank you. OG,
You're live now.
Nice to see you both. Love you too. Thank you so much for being here with us. Love you guys. Thank you so much.
You guys are awesome.
Super started moving right now, so we're gonna wait. Those of you who
You guys, we are moving. It is epic. Let me actually go to the. Hey, dude. Do you guys want to go show them the? Woo! Party! Here we go, guys.
Thank you.
Check it out.
Oh, love you,
guys. This is epic, man. This is awesome. Alright, guys, I'm gonna actually flip it around so I can actually get more of the. See, guys, we are officially sailing away from Fort Lauderdale on the inaugural cruise of Wonder of the Seas, the biggest cruise ship in the world. Check it out. It's very windy, so pardon that. Okay, let's see how windy it is. That's windy. Wonder of the Seas, y'all. Love it. Just wait till all the folks down there. Where are the horns? I think once we pass these condos, we guys have a baby. Yo, I think once we pass these condos. There they are. Knew it. Woo! Waving everyone by. Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! Here we go. Let's hear more horns.
That was way cool.
Yeah. More horns. Woo! I see that guy right down the balcony. You see him? Two of them.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Woo! Oh, sorry, man. Woo! Wonder of the Seas, baby. Here we go. There's Google and Rob on the live stream. What's up, Google and Rob? Live stream YouTube. Loving it. This is for Woo! Sorry. Yeehaw!
Oh, no, actually we're lying.
So people down there, guys, that's awesome.
After the exclamation, we haven't been there. So we've been to the EQ before, the water park and all that stuff, but we never had the Promenade. Oh, yeah.
Woo! We're gonna be on the beach, guys. Yeehaw!
Good time. Dinner tonight is at Giovanni. Let's get the beach. Get the beach, please.
Woo! Woohoo! Yeehaw! Woo! Everyone wave goodbye. Bon voyage. Oh, that looks beautiful, man. I gotta take a picture of this. Oh, that's epic. Look at that. Look at that.
Bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Adios. Ciao.
Oh man, the wasted our pictures. Wow, look at that, guys. Amazing. Here we go. We're off to sea. Wonder of the Seas inaugural cruise. Let's go. We are on sailing away from Lauderdale. Continuation of the first video. Check it out. We got drones. We got helicopters. We the cruise. We are the cruise. Wonder of the Seas inaugural, baby. Let's do it.
Hit the horn one more time.
Well, one more. Horn. Horn.
Right.
Horn.
Right, there you go.
I love it, man. It's the best sound. The best
I
sound
know,
ever.
isn't it though? I
it.
can put one of them
Woo!
on.
Let's wave. Yeehaw! Love it. Hey guys, it's that time. Time to go to my favorite spot, back of the ship. Deck 5, off the Royal Promenade, aft. We're gonna see some amazing views of the beautiful sunset and sail away from Fort Lauderdale. Hey guys, I'm headed to the back of the ship and look who I found. I got Matt from Hoffman Happy Travels. He's on a YouTube live right now, so we're just gonna hang out. I'm gonna take some pictures of the beautiful sunset and sail away from Florida. It's gonna be epic. So, more to come. Hey guys, so here we are, my favorite spot on the entire ship, deck 5, aft, off the jogging track, and here's why. We are sailing away from Fort Lauderdale. It's been a beautiful sail away. The sail away party was amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Check out the sunset. It looks like most of it's familiar. There's Matt from Promenade Travels, and there's Chelsea. Finally got to meet them, yay!
So, are we not already having the best time in the world?
100%. 100%.
This day has been bananas in the best possible way.
Yeah.
I'm so glad we finally got to meet. Just today's been a wonderful day.
Literally wonderful.
Literally wonderful.
And it's only gonna get better.
Only gonna get better.
Yeah. But yeah, just enjoy. I'm just doing a part of the vlog right now. Yeah. Just hanging out. I got Matt doing his thing. Got Chelsea, the coolest people. And again, and I'm sure you guys already know who they are, but Hoffman Happy Travels. We're gonna celebrate their 10K. We're gonna celebrate getting to 20K. It's gonna be amazing. Look at it. So,
Oh,
yeah.
they hit it!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I need to give them both big huge hugs right
Yeah,
now.
yeah, it's gonna be awesome. This whole week's gonna be partying, celebrating, having fun, and just documenting everything for you guys on Wonder of the Seas. So, get ready. Bye, guys. All right, guys. Here's the first night's dinner menu. You got your starters, your main courses, desserts. I'm gonna get the warm hazelnut chocolate cake. I'm vegetarian, right? So there's not a whole lot of options here, but I did request to get the Indian vegetarian meal that they have, so I'm excited for that. They also have lobster tonight, it looks like. Although there's an extra charge for it. But it all looks delicious. Hey guys, here we are, day one, dinner. I have decided to come to the main dining room. Still keeping it casual, but I was just craving a nice sit-down meal where interacting with an amazing wait staff and just seeing this beautiful, beautiful dining room. Look at this. It's a 3-story dining room. I am on deck 4. So this is deck 4. You have deck 3 right there, and you have deck 5 up there. But yeah, and guess what I got, guys? I have missed my bread. I missed my bread. Yeah, I've decided to order the Indian vegetarian meal, and I'm gonna get a chocolate hazelnut cake for dessert. Mwah. Sounds so good. But yeah, I'm gonna take some footage of the food when it comes. But yeah, here we go. Day 1, dinner. Excited. Hello, my delicious, warm, soft bread. How much I have missed you. It's been 6 long months. But I'm glad to reunite with you and Mr. and Mrs. Butter over there. Shall we get started? I think so. Alright guys, so for an appetizer tonight, I'm just gonna get a simple garden salad because I'm gonna get some Indian vegetarian curry as well, which will be a little heavy. So gonna keep it a little light on the appetizer and have some delicious entree, and then got some dessert coming. So this is my yummy appetizer for the evening. Alright guys, one of the main reasons I come to the main dining room for dinner is because they have some amazing Indian vegetarian dishes, and tonight I got the lovely vegetable biryani and raita and vegetable curry as well. So I'm about to go in on this and have a very yummy in my tummy. Yeah, take a quick video of this before I inhale it. But yeah, look at that guys. Look at the spices and the colors on that. It's delicious. And we got some yummy yogurt raita and some vegetable biryani. Here we go. Hey guys, so that vegetable curry and biryani and raita hit the spot. It was delicious. Now I still have a little bit of room left for this amazing dessert. It's a royal hazelnut chocolate cake. Time to get my dessert on. And here's just a quick video of it. Look at that. Almonds, the chocolate. We got some whipped cream over there. May or may not eat that, but here we go. Hey guys, just had an amazing dinner at the MDR main dining room, and now I'm headed to the beautiful Central Park for the first time. Look at this. Oh, the music started right when I walked out. It's epic. Wow. This is beautiful. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna flip it around. Wow. A little more Central Park tonight, guys. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. I mean, tell me you don't want to be here right now. This is one thing I love about Central Park, is that they have music going, they have a light breeze, and it's just so beautiful. Like, I just can't explain how amazing it is. I mean, you got the trellis bar right here, people having a good time, you know, after dinner. And of course you have the Central Park balconies right here. This is beautiful. And of course if you look down, you have the Royal Promenade. Hey, there's an astronaut on this side too. So he's hiding in different places. Look at that. There's an astronaut right there. He's up there, he's over here too. This is cool. Yep, so you got the Royal Promenade. So we're on deck 8 right now. and that's deck 5. I'm gonna go meet up with and Rob at Giovanni's. See what's up. We're gonna hang out later tonight. It'll be fun. Can't wait. Yeah, guys, I love Central Park. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at this. Oh man, I love this place.
But I was thinking,
It's really beautiful. If I just do a quick spin around, look at that. Isn't that something? It's epic. So happy to be here. Hey guys, it's midnight on day 1 aboard Wonder of the Seas, and let me just say it's been an amazing day. It's not over yet, but having a great time. I want to show you guys something really cool. Check this out. Check out these dragons. Oh. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Look at that. That is awesome. And of course, behind me, the boardwalk. I'm actually gonna flip it around here so I get a better perspective. But yeah, it's been an amazing day so far. Hey guys, we just hit midnight on day 1 aboard Wonder of the Seas. And I wanna show you something really cool. A new feature. Check this out. Isn't that amazing? Love it. Hey guys, it's about 3:20 a.m. on the first night of the cruise, and I just got back from a fun night of hanging out with a lot of friends and cruise content creators. It was epic. We were in the casino. We went. We had a couple of drinks, and we went over to Sorrento's and hung out there for like an hour. And before we knew it, it was already like 3 a.m. I'm like, oh my gosh. So, anyways, I'm super tired. I don't know if you can tell, but it's been a long day. But it's a lot of adrenaline. Didn't get much sleep last night because I get super excited for cruise day. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get some sleep tonight. Cause tomorrow morning I definitely want to try to hit up the solarium, go to the hot tub. Get off the day to a nice relaxing start. And then maybe go down some of the water slides, and then I got a nice lunch at Giovanni's with some friends as well. So I'll definitely vlog more about that experience and take pictures and share that with you guys. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my first ever vlog, daily vlog, day 1. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and showed you some experiences on Wonder of the Seas today. And again, thank you so much for your support and watching, and yeah, more to come. So until day number 2. Have a good night.